Hey, it's Stephanie with ILYB Designs. Today I'm sharing with you my first ever Dollar Tree haul. I am so excited to share with you all the awesome Easter and spring things that have come out in the Dollar Tree. I have lots of Easter and spring crafts planned for you guys, and I am so excited to show you what I found. My suggestion to you is if any of these things look appealing to you and you think you may want to craft along with me in the coming weeks, to run to your Dollar Tree as soon as you can, because when the good stuff comes in, it sells out almost as fast as they unload the truck. So let's get started and let me show you some of the awesome things that I found. Now, I've never been a fan of these tinsel hanging decorations, but I have to say I am most excited about these this year because I've learned that you can take all the tinsel off and just use the frame on the back. So this little guy right here, I actually have a plan for him and I am super excited about this project. It's gonna be pretty simple and so much cuter than this tinsel. Now, if you like the tinsel, that's fine, I'm sorry, it's just not my style. So I'm gonna be doing some other things with these. I'm also excited about this one that came to the little hanging. And again, I'm going to be using these little frames here on the back of the bunnies to do a craft with them. They also have, I believe they had chicks and some eggs in these, but I'm kind of going with a bunny theme this year, so you're gonna get real tired of bunny crafts with me. But I love the bunnies, they're so cute, and so I'm doing a lot of bunny crafts this season. Now, I think Dollar Tree keeps upping their sign game. Every single season and holiday that comes, there's cuter and cuter signs. Look at this one. It even has, can you see, that's a 3D carrot, a raised up carrot. And this guy I think is so cute, just how it is. I might just leave it just like that. And here's another one. Look at that, it's a galvanized bunny on there. If you don't want the whole sign, you could even just pop that off because that's just an extra little bunny on there that you could just pop off and just use the bunny. But again, I like this sign. I might just use it just like it is. Now, if you're farm truck crazy like I am, then you're gonna love these. Look at this cute carrot patch sign with the blue farm truck with the carrots in the back. And then there's also this pink one, and I love pink, so I just had to get the pink one. The pink one with eggs in the back says Cottontail Farms. Not sure what I'm gonna do with these exactly, but I just had to snatch them up because I know anything farm truck always goes fast. And here's another farm truck. This one is on like a yard stake, which I'm probably not using the yard stake, but I'm going to be using this truck with the little, look at that, can you see? It's a 3D bunny on there, even has a little white cottontail. And then this Happy Easter sign, which is super cute. And look at this adorable little bunny, oh my goodness. Happy Easter on the carrots, and he is just so stinking cute. I might just use this one just like it is. There's so many signs that are great and would be awesome just how they are without doctoring them up. Now, I grabbed two of these signs, and I really grabbed these signs for these Easter eggs. These I love. They have a little bit of glitter. I know some people don't like the glitter, but I love glitter, and I liked the little designs on these eggs. So I really bought these because I wanted these little wooden eggs. I don't know that I'll be using this top part, but I grabbed two of those. And look at this adorable bunny basket. It has the blue gingham inside and on the handles, on the ears. They also had this in pink, but I really liked the blue. I know it's surprising that I didn't get the pink, but the blue just stood out to me. And I'm actually planning on using this, I think, as a planter, but this would be awesome if you wanted to have a personalized basket as a gift for someone or one of your kiddos, because it's canvas and you could personalize it up here on the top or on the back, which is plain. They have several of these wood signs, these plain wood signs that you can stain or paint or cover with scrapbook paper, whatever you want. I grabbed the bunny. They also had, I know what they had, an egg. I'm not sure what other shapes they had. Actually, I do remember seeing a chick too. But like I said, I'm sticking with all bunnies this year. So I've got this little guy, and I'm just gonna show you that I picked up a little cottontail that I will tell you I already have the project planned, and these two guys go together. It's going to be easy peasy, but super cute. I will tell you, these signs go very fast, so sometimes these are hard to find. So if you see some, snatch them up. They have these super cute bunny containers, and they come in blue, lavender, pink, and they also have a yellow. Now, funny story about these. Whenever I first found these, I thought it was 3 little bunny halves, bunny mold, because this here, it looked to me like that was 2. But that's only 1. Really, what this is, I figured this out after the fact, and I had to go back and get more because I only got these 2 at first because I thought I was going to have 3 bunnies. But it actually is a container. Let's see if I can get it stuck together. It sticks together. I can't get it together right now. But it ends up being a container that you could put candy, Easter eggs, whatever in it. But I really just wanted it for the little bunny house because I have a super fun project I'm really excited about, because these remind me of Peeps. And I don't know who's a fan of Peeps out there. I love the marshmallow Peeps. So got a project for these, and I ended up picking up the pink, the lavender, and the blue. Now, every bunny needs some carrots, right? So I picked up these packs of carrots. I got 3 of them. There's 6 to a pack, and they are like twine-covered little carrots. And I have several projects planned for these. So grab these if you can. I also found these carrot picks. They're a little bit larger than the 6-pack. You can see here the difference in size. And they are yellow and orange. So I got 1 pack of those. And I got these bunny picks, these little wooden bunny ornaments. And again, they had these in different shapes. These came in carrots and eggs, and I'm not sure of any other shapes. And then these were these really cute little bunny treat bags. They are canvas, and I'm not going to use them for treats. I was thinking they would be just fun using them as decorations by stuffing them, and I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with them, but they were just too cute to pass up. Now, they seem to be having these for every holiday now, these little plastic mason jars, and with different color lids, usually to go along with the holiday. So I picked up the yellow gingham. They also had like a minty green and maybe lavender. I can't remember all the colors, but I loved that they had the little gingham tops. So I grabbed 2 of those. I also grabbed one of these little candy dispensers. I don't know if you can tell that that is an egg shape. They did have a bunny, and I passed up the bunny, even though everything else I was buying was a bunny. But I thought this could be cute for my tiered tray, for the Easter tiered tray, with candy in it and looking like an Easter egg. They had some really pretty Easter ribbon. This plain one came in multiple colors, and then I really liked this one that had Happy Easter and the bunnies going around it. And then I found this little tin that would be good for Easter or spring decor. So I've got 1 of those. All right, this next item has been a little hard to come by. I wanted these really pretty multicolored speckled eggs. They come 6 to a pack. They also come in like a muted gold color, but I really wanted the spring colors and the speckled eggs. I only was able to get 1 pack, and I've gone to several Dollar Trees and I cannot find any more. They have plenty of the muted gold ones, but I want these speckled ones. So I did supplement my Dollar Tree trip, and I found this bag of speckled ones at Michael's, and it was on sale for $2.99. There's 14 eggs in the bag, so it was very comparable to the Dollar Tree price. And while I was finding those speckled eggs at Michael's, I also found these plain white ones. So I got a dozen plain white ones because I have a plan for these that I wanted them to be plain white. And what I like about all of these eggs is they are solid. They don't have the little crack in the middle like the toy Easter eggs. And for some of the crafts that I was doing, I really didn't want there to be a seam in the eggs. That's why I wanted to pick up these kind. Okay, so that is all of the Easter things that I found, and I cannot wait to get started crafting with those things. I actually think I'm gonna get started as soon as I finish this video. But I also picked up some other things that are gonna be for just some regular old spring crafts. So I just wanted to show you some other things that they have out at this time of year and other things that you may want to pick up for future crafts. Now, I'm not always a fan of Dollar Tree florals, but look at these roses, guys. How pretty are those? So I grabbed a bunch. And the reason for that is because, like I said, I don't like a lot of the Dollar Tree florals, and when I do find nice ones, I have to scrounge through what is there, and I have a plan for these. I don't know if I'm gonna need this many, but these will probably be something that'll be just good to keep on hand for other projects. But if I do end up having too many that I don't want to keep for future projects, I want to give you a little Dollar Tree tip that I'm not sure everyone is aware of. So you cannot return things for a refund at Dollar Tree, but you can exchange things. So when in doubt, my tip to you is purchase more than you think you're going to need, because there's nothing worse than having a project, needing so many roses, and then finding you're short on roses and you can't find the same ones. So that's why I have this huge bunch of roses, because if I end up having too many, I can I can exchange the ones that I don't need. So that goes for everything, even the seasonal holiday items. So if you see those Easter signs that you like, but you're not sure what you're gonna do with them, I suggest just grabbing a couple so that you have them, because like I said, once they sell out, you usually can't get them again. But just know that you can always exchange something if you end up having too many. Now, another really pretty floral that they have right now are these little lavender picks. I grabbed quite a few of these. Look how pretty those are. Those will be great filler items on tiered trays, and then you can use them on wreaths. They're just so pretty, and they look way more high-end than Dollar Tree flowers usually look. I was really impressed with these. Now I will give you a little hint. Some of the crafts you're going to need either a foam craft ball, or you can use these little toy balls from Dollar Tree. This one here is a little bit smaller, and then I got a little bit larger size. I actually got 2 of each. And I'll give you a hint, some of those roses are going to be used with these. I know they don't seem like they go together, but trust me, they will. And I just want to show you, I practice what I preach. I get more than I think I'm going to need, or things that I see that I like that I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with them. But around springtime is when they come out with all of these planters. So I got these 2 larger planters. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but they don't always have them, so I wanted to make sure I snagged some. And then these are smaller ones, and they actually come 3 to a pack. And they have a little bit of a decorative edge to them. So I just wanted to make sure I got them before they didn't have them anymore. They also had these planters, which I thought were really pretty. I love the pattern on there. So I grabbed 2 of these, and these are a nice size. And because I got all those planters, I figured I would probably need some filler if I was doing some kind of floral project with them. So I got these stones. I grabbed 2 of these. Then I got 2 of these terracotta pots. And look how cute this little guy is. I had to snatch him up, and he was just not even where he was supposed to be. He was just some little gnome off by himself, and I snatched him up because he is going to be perfect on my tiered tray. Look how pretty these are. These were actually by the candle holders. I think they are supposed to be candle holders, but I loved how they had the iridescent color to them, and I couldn't pick a color, so I got 1 of each. So I got the pink, the white, and the gray. And then these candle holders also. Look how pretty those are. All right, so that is it for my first Dollar Tree haul. Now, I will tell you, I did end up going to 3 different Dollar Trees to end up finding all of that stuff, because not all Dollar Trees are created equal. I don't know why, but not every store gets in the same item. So you may have to try a few different ones if you're lucky enough to have multiple Dollar Trees in your area. Leave me a comment below. I'm curious, What is your favorite Dollar Tree Easter or spring find? And did I miss anything? Have you found some really awesome things that I did not? And if you want to craft along with me, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. So I will be back soon with some crafts using those items that I found. So if you want to craft along with me, head out and pick up some of your favorite items, and I will catch you in my next video.